Mathematics, Chapter 2, Polynomials and Factorization, Exercise 2.5, Question number 4. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. First one is x plus 2y square 2x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Solution x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Okay, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Okay, therefore x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is equal to x square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square plus 2 into x into 2y 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y into 4z 2y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into 4z into x dx is equal to x square plus 2y whole square 2 2 is 4 4y square plus 4 4 is 16 16 z square plus 2 2 is 4 4xy plus 2 2 is 4 4 4 is 16 16 yz 16 yz plus 2 4 is 8 8 xz. Okay, 2 4 is 8 8 xz. Okay, therefore x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is equal to x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8xz. Next question number 2. 2a minus 3b whole cube. Next question number 2. 2a minus 3b whole cube. Okay, here x minus y whole cube is equal to x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3 x square y plus 3x y square minus y cube. Okay, is equal to a minus 3b whole cube is equal to 2a whole cube minus 3 2a square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b whole square minus 3b whole cube. Okay, 3b whole cube is equal to 2a whole cube. Okay, 2 2 is 4 4 2 2 is 4 4 2 is 8 8 a cube minus 2 2 is 4 4 3 is 12 12 3 is 36 36 ab plus 3 into 2 2 3 3 is 9 9 2 is 18. Okay, 9 3 is 18 18 3 is 54 18 is 54 54 ab square 54 ab square minus 3 3 is 9 9 3 is 27. Okay, 27 b cube. Okay, therefore 2a minus 3b whole cube is equal to 8a cube minus 36 36 a square b 36 a square b plus 54 ab square minus 27 b cube. Question number 3. Minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. Solution minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c square. Okay, x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, here minus 2a plus 5b minus 3 square is equal to is equal to minus 2a square plus 5b square plus minus 3c square minus 3c square plus 2 into minus 2a into 5b plus 2 into 5b into minus 3c plus 2 into minus 3c into minus 2a. Okay, is equal to 2a whole square minus 2a whole square 4a square plus 5 by 25 25b square plus 9c square. Okay, 2 2 ja 4 4 5 ja 20 minus plus into minus 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 20ab plus into minus minus 2 5 ja 10 10 3 ja 30 minus 30 bc. Okay, minus into minus plus plus into plus 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 2 3 ja 6 6 2 ja 12 AC. Okay, therefore minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c square is equal to 4a square plus 25b square plus 9c square minus 25ab minus 30bc plus 12ac. Next, question number 4. A by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. Solution. Question number 4. A by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. Okay. Is equal to a by 4 whole square plus minus b by 2 whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into a by 4 into minus b by 2 plus 2 into minus b by 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 into a by 4. Okay, is equal to a by 4 whole square is equal to a square by 4 4 just 16. A square by 16 plus minus b whole square is equal to b square by minus b by 2 whole square is equal to b square by 4 2 to 4. Okay, plus 1 plus into minus 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 2ab by 2 4 is 8 minus 2a minus 2ab by 8. Okay, plus into minus 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 2 to cancel minus b plus plus 2 to 2a by 4. Okay, 2 2 ja 4 plus a by 2. Okay, therefore a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square is equal to a square by 60 plus b square by 4 plus 1 minus 2 4 ja 8 minus b plus a by 2 is equal to a square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 minus ab by 4 minus b plus a by 2. Okay, therefore a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square is equal to a square by 16 plus b square by 4 plus 1 minus ab by 4 minus b plus a by 2. Question number 5. P plus 1 whole cube. Solution. P plus 1 whole cube is equal to x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Okay, is therefore p plus 1 whole cube is equal to p cube plus 3 into p square into 1 plus 3 into p into 1 square plus 1 cube is equal to p cube plus 3p square 3p square into 3p square plus 3p into 1 square 3p plus 1 cube 1. Therefore p plus 1 whole cube is equal to p cube plus 3p square plus 3p plus 1. Sixth one, x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. Solution, x minus 2 by 3y whole cube is equal to x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square minus y cube. Okay, x minus y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square y 3xy square minus y cube. Okay, here x is equal to x and y is equal to 2 by 3 y. Therefore, x minus 2 by 3 y cube is equal to x cube minus 3 into x square into 2 by 3 y plus 3 into x into 2 by 3 y whole square minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. 3 3 cancel is equal to x cube minus 2x square y 2x square y plus, okay, 2 2 is 4 3x into 3x into 2 2 is 4 4 by 3 3 is 9 4 by 9 y minus 2 2 is 4 2 2 is 4 4 3 is 8 8 by 3 3 is 9 9 3 is 27 8 by 27 y cube. Okay, 4 by 9 y square 3 3 is 9. Okay, is equal to x cube minus 2x square y plus 4 4 by 3 4 by 3 x y square 4 by 3 x y square minus 8 by 27 y cube. Okay, next question number 5. Factorize 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Solution, solution, factorize 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Okay, here 25x square, right, minus 5x square is equal to minus 5x whole square. Okay, minus 5x square is equal to plus 25x square. Okay, plus 16y square 4y square 4y square plus 2z whole square. Okay, next plus 2 into minus 5x into 4y is equal to 2 5 is 10 10 4 is 40 minus 40 xy. Okay, plus 2 into 4y into 2z 4y into 2z 2 4 is 8 8 is 16 yz. Okay, next plus 2 into 2z into minus 5x minus 5x. Okay, 5 2 is 10 20 is 20 plus into minus 20xz. Okay, therefore x square plus y square plus z square 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. Therefore is equal to minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z whole square. Okay, okay, next question number 2. 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Question number 2. Solution, 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ca. Okay, factorize the identity. Okay, for 9a square write 3a whole square plus 2b whole square plus minus 4c whole square. Minus 4c whole square is equal to plus 16c square plus 2 into 3a into 2b. 3a into 2b. Okay, 2 3 is a 6, 6 2 is a 12 baby. Okay, 3a into 2b plus 2 into 2b into 2b into minus 4c. 2b into minus 4c. Okay, 2 2 is a 4, 4 4 is a 16. Minus 16 plus into minus minus 16 bc. Okay, plus 2 into minus 4c into minus 4c into 3a. 3a. 2 4 is 8, 8 3 24. Minus plus into minus 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 24ca. Okay, here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, is equal to 3a plus 2b plus minus 4c plus into minus minus 4c whole square is equal to 3a plus 2b minus 4c whole square.